Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how to design a transition effect inside the PowerPoint presentation. So hereby you can see I have taken a blank slide. Hereby I am just inserting the object like photos. So now I will take a picture of Shanghai city and trying to do something interesting transition with the Thai Airways. So you can here directly drag and drop the image from the location to slide. It's nothing but the harder things. Just take a look. We will not the picture directly put in the slide. We will remove the background image for this flight. So that's why I'm trying to use this flight, means the plane, as a object inside the slide. So basically the plane will used for the transition, which will move on side on the slide with the oval shape. Now you can see the plane has retrieved as an object, and I always used the Adobe Express because the photo quality after redact the background image is still good, and that can use inside any kinds of slide and there is no quality issue. So you can take a look just what kinds of photo I have retrieved, and this is basically showing the actual photo. Just remove the background and I'm just set up the object, and now I will take another 2-3 pictures here and use the transition. So let's wait for some time and take a look at how does the transition is going through on the screen. So hereby just I have taken a picture of Buddha, and another picture I will take a temple of Buddha. So the plane will just change its location with the transition from one image to another. So I hope you guys know about this temple. This is really basically contains in the Bangkok city, and this temple is made on a lake, which is really very good. So now I start with the transition that I want to show here. So this is really very simple. Just click on the animation and now add the set line, and hereby you need to select the line what I want to use here. So we just need to change the direction of the flight transition. So hereby you can see the plane is, you can change the location, that what point to what point it will transit or move. So that's why I'm just checking the actual result. So basically don't think about some good result, because I have just started this with the basic things that is really very important to learn before the special process of the slide making. So before we need to learn about the seeds, then we can make it tree. So this is basically like a seeds tutorial for viewers or learners, so you can take some advantage from it, because this will help you to understand every single point of view that you can do with the slide. And after that I will take a look and start the special things and some projectile review and any kinds of live project I will show you about the parallax designing, like how to design a parallax effect with the slide. So I will give you that much of information. Before that I will give you the basic learnings. So hope this video is helpful for you, and I hope this much of tutorial is important for you. And if you have come first on my channel, please like if you like this video and share you with your friends and family. So goodbye for today, and wait for my next video.